Okay, this is another Dorma product, and Dorma is a very good brand name. We discovered recently, and this is a pillow with a down surround memory foam. So it's around it is a memory foam, which is a cotton layer. Down it is a foam, and then inside it is down duck foam. So duck feather. So duck feather is inside, a layer of memory foam, on top of it a layer of the high thread number cloth of cotton, which means that it will be dust mite proof. And yeah, beautiful packaging, £36. Of course you may get a discount if you be on a sale or anything. Sometimes they're on sale when you are arriving there. It was just after Christmas on sale. So Susan, let's open them. Whose idea was to buy this?
Me.
Oh, you like them?
Feathers, pillows from my childhood,
Oh, look.
but now
How fair, man. Full it
they're
feels.
allergen free, so you can have them again.
And Dorma, we have both their duvets. They're so quality.
We've got a duvet to match. as
Proper.
well. It feels
First
just
of
like
all,
my
it
childhood
airs, you know, it has
feathers,
a freshness and air passes through it. At the same time, is this fabric. Look at the fabric, how thick is knitted. Look at, you cannot. Yeah. So thick knitted. Dust mite doesn't have a chance to go through it or come out of anywhere. So perfect. Breathable also. And now they're going to be in our pillowcases. We will enjoy that. Pillowcases also from Dorma. In Dunham, you buy it from there. That's beautiful. Even the bag of it is beautiful. Look at the back.